Another useful function for string is replacing. I define a variable st as string and give a value st equal that is a sample text, and let's directly show on the message box. I could use replace, then the expression what you're looking for, of course inside of a string, comma, find which character or characters you're looking for. Let's say I wanna find any A, comma, replace with, to be obvious I make it X, and of course the rest of that it is optional. Starting by default of course is from very beginning, number 1, and how many replaces you want, 1 time, 2 times, etc., which by default it is -1, which it is unlimited. And we have the comparison method, be binary or not, which I will show in a minute about extra descriptions. Allow me to just close it. So we're replacing any A with capital X. That is a sample text. Replaced any A with X. If you need more additional information, here we have the instruction and more descriptions, finding, replacing, start counting, etc. And about comparison method here, how it's comparing. Allow me to show you about the binaries and searching. You could read about the syntax, remarkings, characters, also about determination system locale and priority, A equal A, or here of course the order A it is smaller than B, B smaller than C, and C smaller than D, etc. by the ASCII characters. However, I mentioned before we could use replace functions of Microsoft Word, but using this function here, it is much more faster and more flexibility here, and it is generic, so you could use same function or command inside of Excel, etc., and directly using for strays, arrays, and so on.